Breaking this noon, an urgent weather alert from the National Weather Service in Seattle.
So much flooding. I'm taking you outside because I just want to illustrate how wet it is. It's so wet outside. Okay, this is just... That's a wet van. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Claire Jenks. It is good to be back. For those of you who've been with me for years, thank you so much for being here now. And for those of you who are new, check out some of my trail guides right here. So a couple years ago, I was filming at my peak. I was riding like 5 days a week. I was editing, I was uploading. I was meeting a lot of you out on the trails. And then a couple of things happened in quick succession. One, I hit my head skateboarding, really bad concussion. And then I had a nagging knee injury that needed surgery. It wasn't mountain bike related, but it ended up keeping me off my bike for pretty much this entire time. What do we do when hit with life's changes? We pivot. I guess you could call this video a little bit of a comeback video. Oh my God, it's so hot. I hope you'll join me over the next series of videos as I kind of get back into training. I want to share with you what bikes I'm using, where I'm going, what trails I'm riding on, all that stuff. I want to keep this light and joyful and super fun. And if you see this video on the internet, or if you see me out on the trails, please say hi, please comment. I read every single one. I want this to be a journey that we go on together. Yes, and ride. I'll see you out on the trails.